Hello everyone, it's Lurgs here, welcome to my channel, and today it's how to replace the rear indicator bulb on the Mercedes C-Class. And there's a link above now about how to open the bonnet or the hood on your Mercedes C-Class. Okay, so the rear indicator bulb we're going to be replacing is on the passenger side. The other side is absolutely identical, it's exactly the same process. So the first thing you need to do is open the boot or the trunk. And the bulb cluster we need to remove out of here. So all you do is you remove this paneling here with your hands. It just tucks in behind the plastic trim. You just give that a squeeze and then pull it out. And then you're turning this lever here 90 degrees and that releases the catch. And then just pull the bulb cluster out towards you. And there we go, that is where all the bulbs are for the rear bulb cluster. And there's a link above now about the OBD2 port location on your Mercedes C-Class. And the rear indicator bulb is an orange glass bulb. Make sure you definitely get an orange glass bulb when you replace it. And to remove the rear indicator bulb, you just push it in gently and turn it anti-clockwise about 20 or 30 degrees, and then it just pops out. Now you'll notice on this bulb it's got offset pins. It's not like a normal bulb, it's got parallel pins. So make sure when you buy a bulb you get ones with the offset pins. And this will be a 12 volt 21 watt bulb. And remember, it's orange glass. And there's a link above now about the fuse box locations and how to check the fuses on your Mercedes C-Class. So take your new bulb. And then you just need to put it back into that bulb cluster. Now remember, it's got the offset pins and they can only go in one way. Do not try and force it in because you will break the housing. So just make sure you line it all up correctly. Once you've lined those pins up, just push it in and then just turn it clockwise, again about 20 or 30 degrees. Now to put the bulb cluster back in, just line those bulbs up with the holes. Just push it in gently. There we go. Once that is in, you just turn that lever 90 degrees and then that locks the whole bulb cluster in. There we go. And that is now locked in. Now just put the bulb cover paneling back in and that just tucks in under the plastic trim there. And there's a link above now about the battery location and how to check the battery on your Mercedes C-Class. Now the next thing we need to do is just check the rear indicator bulb, and that is working perfectly. And I tell you what, that indicates it's time for a lovely cup of tea. Great job. If you found that video useful, please subscribe by pressing this button down here for more how-tos, helpful tips and life hacks. And if you'd like to select any other videos around here, that would be really cool. And be sure to hit that bell notification tab.